sabi nila sa likod.
Chocolate fountain.
Go pa, sir, pa. Chocolate factory pero ano lang, mga lata.
Pages turn, novels hang, a sugar packet makes a castle stand. The breeze sneaks in, soft and light,
Pero yung mga ano lang, yung piso-piso na lang.
shadows and golden stripes.
Huwag ka lilingin dyan, Steve.
The world slows down. No need to frown.
Nangali na sa tigil.
It's a daydream, a cafe lit. The air is sweet and time slips by. It's a daydream.
Thank you so much. There you have it once again, everyone. Palakpakan po natin ang Martinez couple for their first dance. Okay.
Kiss.
Well, as you've heard earlier,